Mrs. Nae Offence by Gregor Steele. We cry her Mrs. Nae Offence, that's what she likes to say, afore saying something awfy, then heading on her way. Nae offence, but see yon skirt ye bocht, it makes you look gey fat. Nae offence, you're like a standard lamp when you wear your new blue hat. Nae offence, but see your perfume, she whitters like a dew. It minds me o' they yellow cubes you get in a laddie's loo. Nae offence, but see your hairdo, you must have been a mug to fork out 20 quid for that, you look like a Pekingese dug. It fell upon my granny to put her in her place. Gran scalped her wi' a brolly, saying, Nae offence, but shut your face.